All right, let's look at problem number 19 from the Chapter 5 review. Okay. It says the graph shows the cost of gasoline Y dollars is directly proportional to X gallons of gasoline. Find the constant of proportionality. So the constant of proportionality is Y over X is equal to K, which is the constant of proportionality. So in order to find the constant proportionality, I need to look at the graph and find a point that gives me a Y and an X value. So if you look at the graph right here, you have a point where X is 1 and Y is 4. Okay? So I'm going to take that and put Y, which is 4, over X, which is 1, and that's going to give me K. So the value of K is equal to 4. So K represents the constant proportionality. But in this particular context, it represents that the cost of each gallon of gas is $4. So every time you increase the gallons of gas by 1, the cost increases by 4. Now I can do part B, which says write the direct proportion equation. If I know the value of K is equal to 4, my equation is going to be Y is equal to 4X. Because remember, in a direct proportion equation, it's Y is equal to K times X, and since I know that K is 4, so the very last thing I need to do is do part C. So part C states that Umberto spends $24 in gas. And the question is, how many gallons of gasoline did he buy? So what that means is that the amount of money, right, the cost of the gasoline is my Y. So I know that Y is equal to 24. What I don't know is what X is equal to. So that's what I need to figure out. So let's move this up a little bit. So for part C, I'm going to go back to my equation, Y equals 4X, okay? But this time, instead of just using the Y equals 4X, I'm going to plug in where Y is. I'm going to put 24. So I'm going to do 24 is equal to 4X. So I want to solve for X. Divide both sides by 4. I get X equals 6. So what does that mean for part C? When Umberto spends $24 in gasoline, he gets 6 gallons of gasoline. So part C, the answer is 6.